Nothing says fall fun like power tools and flying chunks of pumpkin. What? I'll show you how to take your pumpkin carving skills to the next level.
Oh, wait.
Just like clots.
That's a little dangerous.
Somehow that doesn't look safe or clean.
Last year I cut my finger.
Woo! Nothing says fall fun like some football. Oh, no, wait. They told me to say power tools and flying chunks of pumpkin? Really? Up next, we're showing you how to take your pumpkin carving skills to a whole new level.
Yesterday we had the Fall Festival on the Fox Square, but today we get to a lesson in how to carve pumpkins with power tools.
That's why we got the goggles on here to show us how to take our pumpkin carving skills to a whole new level is J.B. Sassano. He's the president of Mr. Handyman International. Welcome, sir.
Thank you very much for having us back.
So how do we do this? How do we do this safely?
So that is going to be the first mistake.
Yeah.
But first, Mr. Handyman is a community of brands for neighborly, and safety is first. We're the largest home improvement maintenance repair for commercial and residential in the country. So we're going to make 3 pumpkins today.
All right.
And the 3 different pumpkins will try to end up what we call the Mr. Handyman Tower of treats right down at the end.
Okay.
That's what
I made
we're gonna
that
make it
earlier.
look
That's
like.
cool.
So these are either
Kind of.
standalones like that,
Yep.
and you can either stack them or not. So all these pumpkins have been cut and gutted.
You're so
right?
excited to drill this
I
thing.
know.
Like, can I do it yet?
So one thing to make sure you do, push it in and then start the drill.
Okay.
But you're
I'll
cutting
protect the people
holes so we
behind
can
you.
put those things
All
in
right.
there.
Everybody stand back.
The splash guard behind you. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Nicely done.
Perfectly done.
All right, keep going.
Keep going.
Oh yeah.
Oh, I'm a natural at power tool pumpkin
Yep.
carving, clearly.
Clearly.
And this will be the base where we have to
very
put our
symmetrical.
cooler over there.
Perfect.
All right, perfect. Great. So then you're going to put some
That's
holes in there,
exactly-
and you
yeah,
can
that's
stuff some
all
of the
we needed to
lollipops
do.
in those holes.
Okay, you can put lollipops in.
Yep. Building that tower of tree.
Look at that. Lollipop.
Pete's missing his safety goggles.
Keep
So
going.
Pete doesn't wear a seatbelt or safety
I
goggles.
don't believe
Yep.
it. No.
So what do we
Same
gotta
thing on the
do?
end. The end one you can do the same thing. You can put the holes in here. Then you can have the skewers and
Really
skewer
hard.
some marshmallows and skewer some of the Oreos and put them on top as well.
No problem. Is this 220 or 221?
221.
All right, good. That's an inside joke.
What is
I
that?
know. Mr. Mom.
Mr. Mom, come on, go look it up.
I just wanted to
He got the real one.
You're not supposed to do it to that one. Really?
No, but that's all right. Have some fun.
There we
Be
go.
careful.
It's all about the fun. And
Just like in this one.
sure.
How do I get
Sorry.
one of those power tools? Give me the bigger one. I got this little thing.
You got the little power
I got the
tool.
little
This is
one.
kind of
Ed Henry's got a
addicting.
little power
I think I found my new pastime.
Look at this.
I don't know what's happening.
So you can get all these on
Kids would love this.
MrHandyman.com/pumpkin. You can get all our power company.
Oh, once you got the big holes, what do you do? What do you fill it up
Absolutely.
with?
You're
Again, that's a
responsible.
neighborly company of community.
We're supposed to put this stuff in
for
there?
all your
Yeah,
service
it's a
needs in your
cooler.
home.
Look out, guys.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Oh, Pete.
I'm sorry for Pete. Here's some Oreos.
I'm going to show you expect you might, get a little bit. That's right. More Fox and Friends on the other side. More pumpkins, too.
We can't take Pete anywhere.
You got some video?
Emily, did you think you'd have this much fun?
No, this is amazing. Sir, I'm like, that was amazing. Best show ever. Best day ever. Oh,
There's still time to do it a little bit more.
A little bit of fun.
oh my God.
Well, we've enjoyed
He's
having
going
you.
rogue at all times.
I'm sorry for Pete. We just can't control that guy.
Try it.
But thanks for being here all weekend.
He said I could do the whole pumpkin.
He's making up for the
There's
Prius
pumpkin
comment
left.
earlier.
Ed can take the show from here.
We'll have more pumpkin carving in the After the Show show, foxandfriends.com.
Thanks for being here.
See you guys next weekend.
Thanks for joining us, guys.
Look at this. Okay, I'm done. Done. Have a great